Some of you are still mixing random creams, scrubbing your face with a body scrub, and bleaching your face. Well, here's how you can lighten your face without disrupting your skin barrier. Come to the space. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. If you really want to lighten up your face or clear your discoloration, uneven skin tone, dark spots, pimples, acne scars, then this video is for you. I'll be showing you a step-by-step face care routine that will safely lighten your face without bleaching or damaging it. And guess what? You can actually pair this face care set with the body care set in my previous video. Both of them go hand in hand, and they are going to help you achieve that lighter skin tone. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. See, one mistake I've seen most people make when they want to lighten up their face is to think that there's a miracle face cream out there that is going to just clear their sunburn, their dark spots, their pimples, their discoloration at once, and just give them that smooth, fairer, spotless, smooth, glowing face. My dear, there is no miracle face cream anywhere. And there are some that even go around mixing different random creams together in order to achieve that lighter face. What exactly are you trying to achieve? And the one that is even busting my head are those people that are still using body scrubs on their face. And some of these people even go as far as mixing palm oil, many cooking ingredients, all in the name that they want to lighten up their face. We even told you all these things works. The truth is, face lightening needs a smart and gentle approach. If you really want to lighten up your skin, you need to do it with sense. Use your number 6 when you're doing something like that. It's not every trend that you see that you just jump on. You just need to know the right products. My dear, if you keep indulging all these methods or trends that you see, you might just end up ruining your skin. And by the time you get to your old age, your skin will just be irritating. So you guys, you need to stop. Now, with all of that said, let me show you a step-by-step face lightening routine that can help you lighten up your face, clear your sunburn, your dark spots, pigmentation, and give you that smooth, spotless face without any irritation or damaging your skin barrier. The first product you will need in this face care routine is a cleanser. Now, when you're trying to lighten up your skin or clear out all those pigmentation, uneven skin tone, discoloration, and sunburn that you might have currently on your face, you need a gentle hydrating cleanser. You don't need any cleanser that is going to irritate your skin further. You need something that is mild. And remember, you don't need to pack so many lightening products in your routine. You just have to mismatch your products in order to achieve the best, beautiful, lighter skin without disrupting your skin barrier. So a gentle foaming cleanser is perfect in your routine, and I'll recommend using the CeraVe face cleanser, or you can get the La Roche-Posay cleanser or the face fat cleanser if you're on a budget. Now, I know a lot of us are students and you might not really be able to afford any of these cleansers. So the YC whitening face wash is a perfect face cleanser that you can use. It's a simple face cleanser and it's pretty much affordable. It's going to help you cleanse your face, get rid of all the dirt, all the sweat that have been accumulated on your skin, and give you a proper cleanse without stripping your skin of its natural oils. And that's exactly what we are going for. You don't want a face cleanser that you will use and your skin is already feeling dry from washing your face. That's not the goal here. You want your face to look lighter and as well look plump and healthy. So using any of those face cleansers is going to do the job. So take your time, wet your face, and ensure you massage the cleanser properly into your skin to be able to pull out all the dirt and impurities that are on your skin. The next step would be to use your face toner. This should come immediately you're done washing your face. Do not allow your face to dry completely. Now, one of my favorite face toners to recommend for all skin types when it comes to face lightening is this I'm from Rice Milk Toner. Is this I'm from Rice Milk Toner. This is one toner that I am currently using. I've been using this since early this year or so. And guys, I really love the effect of this toner on my skin. This is one toner that is going to give you that smooth, soothing feel on your skin. This is an amazing toner. When you apply this toner to your skin, it will balance out your skin's pH and go ahead to prep your skin for your other skincare products to absorb in nicely into your skin. Is a Korean product and I really love the effect. This is going to brighten your skin with time. If you can't find this particular toner, you might as well get this aqua toner. This is also another amazing toner. You can basically use this to balance your skin's pH and achieve a bright, beautiful, glowing skin. So any of these two toners is going to do a perfect job for you. You just need something that will be able to hydrate your skin and prep it for the next step. So when you're applying your toner, you just want to take like a drop or two of this, put it on your palm, and then apply it directly to your skin and allow it to sit for a minute before going in with your next product. Now you can also use a spray bottle. Pour this into a spray bottle and then spray it all over your face. That's another way to apply your toner. Some people even go as far as using a cotton pad to apply their face toner. So either ways, you're going to be getting the best results out of your toner. Up next, you will need to exfoliate. Now, I know most of you didn't see that particular one coming. Exfoliation is highly important when it comes to face lightening. There is no way you want to lighten up your face and you're allowing the dead skin cells to pile up on your skin. You need a good face exfoliant and not a body scrub. So if you're still using a body scrub on your face, I need you to understand that you're damaging your skin. You're causing your skin micro tears and you're damaging your skin barrier as well. So if you don't want your skin feeling too sensitive when you apply any product on your face, then you need to stop using a body scrub on your face because you're irritating your skin. Now, one face exfoliant I will recommend for you guys to use is this Wish Trend Mandelic exfoliant. This is an amazing exfoliant. It comes in the form of a toner. You can actually use this immediately you're done applying your main toner. Apply it directly to your face and also give it some time to absorb it before going in with your other products. And when you're exfoliating your skin, you want to ensure that you're exfoliating your skin at night. If you can't find the Wish Trend Mandelic acid, you can get the ordinary lactic acid solution. The 5% is also going to get the job done. Now, exfoliation is the key. If you want that smooth face, even face, if you want to get rid of those patches and discolorations you have, then you need to start using chemical exfoliants. The way your face is gonna feel so much smoother, softer when you apply facial exfoliants. You will definitely enjoy using it. Now, you don't need to exfoliate every day. You just need to exfoliate your face 2 or 3 times weekly. Depending on the facial exfoliants you get, you might want to take like 2 drops of it and apply it directly to your face and give it time to totally dry out before going in with your next product. On days you're not exfoliating, the next product you're going to need is a face serum. When it comes to face lightening, a lot of you tend to avoid serums because they feel like it will do little to nothing for their skin. They just need that Oshafrapra face cream that they can use and is one touch. If you seriously have dark spots, pigmentation, discoloration, uneven skin tone, and you really want to get rid of them, my dear, you need a face serum. A targeted face serum at that. And one of my all-time favorite lightening or brightening serum that can get the job done is an alpha arbutin serum. And you can get this one from Skin by Zaron or the ordinary alpha arbutin serum. These are effective serums that will lighten your face tackle your dark spots, your hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and treat your skin. Like the way your skin is gonna be popping in a matter of weeks, you're definitely going to be seeing results. You will get compliments. When I mean compliments, people will walk up to you to ask you, hey, how did you get your dark spots cleared out? Because this right here is the odogu when it comes to clearing dark spots. Now, if you don't have any major skin concerns, your gene is seriously working. Just have this nice skin from birth. My dear, you don't need to do too much then. You can either use a hyaluronic acid serum if you have a dry skin, or you can use a vitamin C serum like the La Roche-Posay one, the Balance Active one. Any of this is going to brighten your skin and help you maintain your healthy gene. Okay, we are not talking about you in this video. Now, another tip is you don't need more than one serum in your routine, but if you feel like you need more than one serum, that's fine. You can also use a vitamin C serum during the day and use your alpha arbutin serum at night. Now, if you can't afford any of those, you might as well opt in for face fat serum range. I think they have a lot of serums, so you might lay your hand on one of them to help your skin. Now, for my girlies that are battling with oily, acne prone skin, you can get this Axis White Dark Spot Correcting Serum. This is actually one of my favorite face serums right now. Like, I love the glow effect. It's so hydrating on the skin, and it does help control oil production on your skin. This will help to curtail your breakouts and your pimple. So if you usually break out and all of that, you can use this in your routine or pair it together with the ordinary alpha arbutin serum in order to boost the effectiveness and get a faster result. Now, moving on, you will need a face cream. If you are an OG on my channel, you already know that one of my favorite lightening face creams to recommend is the Always Bright face cream. Very nice. Like, this is one of the nicest face creams I've used and I am still using. Now, you can also use this Victoria's Secret face cream. These are amazing lightening face creams that will gradually lighten your face and give you that bright, even toned skin. Now, let me share my secret tip with you guys, because most times I tend to use this face cream at night in my nighttime routine and then just use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer during the day. So you might as well do same for your skin. You might use a moisturizer in the daytime and then use your lightening face cream at night. So the Always Bright is a good lightening face cream, and so is the Victoria's Secret face cream. You can also get this Flawless face cream. This is another face cream that works like magic when it comes to skin lightening. It's going to help gradually tackle your spots as well. So any of these face creams you can lay your hands on, you might as well use them and then get a moisturizer to use in the day. Lastly, you're going to need a good sunscreen, because why on earth are you even lightening your skin and you're not using a sunscreen? Now, you really need to have a sunscreen in your skincare routine when lightening up your skin, because you don't want to be wasting effort or have your skin going darker when you're trying to lighten it up. So get a good sunscreen like this Suncut sunscreen, or this La Roche-Posay sunscreen, or the Neutrogena Hydro Boost sunscreen. Any of the sunscreens is going to protect your skin from the sun, and they do not leave any white cast. Now, how exactly do you use each of these products? I know some of you will still come and ask me, Judith, how do I use this product? Let me give you guys an easy step-by-step map out of your morning and night routine. So in the morning, your first step is to cleanse. Second step is to apply your face toner. Third step is to use your face serum. Fourth step is to apply your moisturizing face cream. And last step is to use your sunscreen. Whereas in your nighttime routine, your first step is to cleanse. Your second step is to use your face toner. Your third step is to apply your exfoliant. That is on your exfoliating days. And then your fourth step should be to use like a moisturizer on nights that you are exfoliating your skin. So this is your exfoliating night routine, because you don't want to pair your mandelic acid with a strong active like an alpha arbutin serum it will cause you irritations and damage your skin barrier. So you want to avoid that as well, because that will be too much ingredients or actives on your skin. Now, other nights that you're not exfoliating your skin, your first step would be to cleanse your skin. Your second step is to use your face toner. Your third step is to apply your alpha arbutin serum. Your fourth step should be your lightening face cream, and then your face moisturizer. That way you're going to hydrate your skin and not dry out your skin. You can go ahead and take a screenshot of this routine right now on the screen. So combining or pairing all those products together is going to safely and gently lighten up your skin and give you that nice, beautiful, glowy skin without damaging your skin barrier. So if you've been chasing or looking for one Osha Prapra lightning face cream that will do all of this, girl, that's a pipe dream. It's time you try out this routine, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this with any of your friends that have been complaining of their facial dark spots or their face looking darker than their body, and it's going to help them a lot. I hope today's video was helpful and you learned a thing or two from today's video, and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye.